Hey y'all, I'm here to try the viral Little Caesar Crazy Puffs. Yeah, get into it. I got some little chicken on the side. My ranch. Ooh, shit. Let's see what it's about. Mmm. Put it inside. Mmm. If you're a ranch lover like me, you'll fall in love. And my little chip on the side. My little chips. Mmm. Mmm. That's all, y'all. I want y'all to see me taste it. Oh, yeah. These are plain wings. Seasoned real good. I like them plain. Yep. Like a little 10 piece, you know, a little snack. That's good. That's a bite. Cause I don't know what to do. It's good. I give it a 10 out of 10. Okay. 10 out of 10, try it again. Quote from my cousin. He's speaking in my ear. Mmm. Mmm. All right, y'all. Be back for more food reviews. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned.